just allow me to feel my hair for a minute. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olivia again. So today I brought you a tutorial on this look. Yes, how cute is this hair? Like, come closer. How cute is this hair? So this is a crochet hairs tutorial that I brought for you guys today. And if you're interested in knowing how I got this crochet hair looking this natural, then stay tuned. But if you're here for your first time, my name is Delphine. Please do subscribe and join the family, and you're welcome. So to begin, I'll show you guys my braid pattern. I just have straight braids going behind. This is straight flat twist. Yes, I have straight yes, going behind, and then they connected all of it and then made it round like this. So what I'll do now is to secure this last end. I'll just pass it in my own hair. Like so, and everything is nice now. Yeah, so first of all, I did braid my hair yesterday, the day before now. I'll go ahead and oil my scalp with my armilla oil. So the hair that I will be using for this tutorial is the Royal Silk Afro Twist braid in color 2. This is how it looks. I already opened one pack. This is how it looks inside. Just like Afro, but it's kind of silky, not really strong. I don't know, I mistakenly bought it thinking it was the real Afro hair like this other one. So I can't really go back to refund it. I don't have the strength to do that, so I'll manage it. And I don't want long hair. It's hot this summer. I'm going to divide each one into 2. Like, grab each single one like this, and then I'll divide it into 2 parts in the middle. And then I have 2. Then I'll crochet it like this because I want it to be short. I don't want it too long. It's too hot. So when I do that, all I need to do is just unravel the ends like this on both sides. Try to lose the hair a bit. Close it, pull it through my own hair, take off the needle, and then I open my own hands here and grab the 2. But before I grab it, I'm going to turn it so it's well secured, like so. I'll do it again. So all I need to do is just wrap the hair here so it's going to fit in all in the hook. Close it, pass it through. Turn the hair before I pass it in the middle, and then I secure it. I hope you guys can see. So I'm done with one pack of the hair behind, and this is how it looks. It's not really full. I skipped some of the parts first. I can fill it up later on if I want more hair, but this is how one of the packs looks. So yeah, I'll go ahead and prepare the other one pack that is remaining for the front, and I'll come back to show you. So I'm going to start in front now, and I want to do an invisible part on the side here. So I separate each strand now into two for them to be smaller, and I'll just go ahead and start doing close it, pull it through. And now, since I want to do the invisible part, and I'll just go ahead and twist this side, and then I'll grab just one section of the hair and pull it through. Like so that this other section will then cover it. You see, the knot will not be showing. So that's what I'm going to do in this line. So I'm separating the hair into two now for the invisible part. Twist it and then take just one and I secure it. So this is how one side of my invisible part looks, as if it's coming out from my own scalp. So yeah, I'll continue to do it on this other side, and then I'll come back and show you. So I'm done with my invisible part, and this is how it looks. Super neat. As you can see, you can't see the knots. So yeah, I'll just twist this and put it aside, and then do the rest of my crochet hair. So I'm done installing the hair now. This is the 2 packs of hair, and I just opened where I did my invisible part here, as you can see. So I'll just turn around and let you guys see the entire hair. I haven't done anything to it, I just finished installing it. So as you can see, because I was trying to drag the ends of the hair, it really looks nice. I don't have to trim it. I really like the length. This is where I wanted the hair to be. So yeah, this is the final look of the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorials. I'm just trying to arrange finger comb it. I'll turn behind. This is the front. This is the front. I'm also trying to remove the shed hair since I cut it into 2. And this is the back. This is the side. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I am so tired and hungry, so I can't be able to style it in this tutorial. So if you're interested in knowing how I am going to style this hair, then check my next upcoming video. For this video, I just wanted to show you how I installed it and how I did my braid patterns. And please don't forget to like and comment on the comment bar below what's your thoughts, and share my video with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.